everyone, welcome back to Shruti Opines. I hope guys you are safe and doing well in your life. Some days ago I asked one question on my Instagram account that what matters the most when it comes to your communication skills, particularly when we communicate in English. So first of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my Instagram family that they responded to that question so that I came up with this result. So 25% people voted for accent and 75 people voted for pronunciation. So I thought why not to share my thoughts, my opinion over this debate, you can say, that what matters the most, accent or pronunciation. So I have come up with a detailed illustration of these two terms, taking consideration of some examples and references so that you would be able to understand in depth that what matters the most when it comes to communication skills. So if you are interested in this video, then stay tuned. So firstly, I would like to tell you guys that whatever I'm going to say further, it is based on my thoughts and opinions, and at the same time some research and studies also. It is not based on the result that I got on that question. Firstly, to start with the difference between these two terms, first we need to understand their meaning, that what does accent mean, what does pronunciation mean. I know now many of you must be thinking that, oh my goodness, we are not here for meaning or definition. But guys, to understand and to differentiate between these two terms, we need to start from a scratch and only a bit of scratch. So accent, what does it mean? Accent is the way I sound. Accent is the way you sound. Accent is the way everyone sounds. Or you can say that accent is the way of speaking. The way I sound is completely different from the way the other person sounds. Yes or no? So accent is just the way you sound, the kind of sounds you produce, and it is based on several factors. Your accent is based on several factors. Every person has a different way of speaking. If you have ever noticed that when you speak your native language, your accent is different when you speak any foreign language. It is the fact. And if we talk about English particularly, English is an official language of so many countries. For example, the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, and many more. And because of that factor, we have American English, British English, Canadian English, Australian English, Irish English, and again many more. And therefore, the accent of these countries are different from each other because these countries have their own particular accent, have their own particular way of speaking, and this is what it makes them different from the other countryman. And there are several factors which are responsible for your accent, the way you speak, and those factors are your cultural factors, your regional factors, and your environmental factors. So the cultural and the regional factors mean the kind of region you are born and brought up in, the kind of culture you are born and brought up in. And similarly, environmental factors may include the kind of school and colleges you are getting admission into, the kind of working place, the kind of environment you are working. So these are the factors which majorly contribute to your accent. It majorly contribute to the way you speak. For example, like I'm an Indian, right? But in case if I speak like an American or a British, then my identity as an Indian will be dissolved. However, again, I would like to mention here one point that being the non-native speakers, everyone has this fancy towards English language. At the same time, everyone has this fancy towards American accent or British accent. If anyone wants to adopt any particular accent, then it becomes his or her choice. Adopting any accent is not a compulsion. This is the point I would like to focus over. That many people have this myth or kind of fear, you can also say, that if they will not sound like an American or a British, then their English will not be acceptable. This is not the case, guys. This is not the case at all. Your accent will not decide your communication skills. There are other aspects which will decide that how effective your communication skill is. So to clarify this point more, or you can say in depth, then I'll take the example of the USA. Yes, America. So America itself has four accent, like the major four accent that I'm aware of. So America has Southern accent, New England accent, New York City accent, and Midwestern accent. So can you see, America itself has four different accents. So how is it possible for any non-native speaker of English to adopt every accent? We should not focus over the accent, guys. Instead of that, we should focus over the correct pronunciation, because correct pronunciation will lead to a good accent, undoubtedly. Because pronunciation means the way you produce the sounds. Accent means the way you sound, and pronunciation means the way you produce the sounds, the way you articulate the sounds. So to clear this point again more in depth, like whatsoever I have said so far, in case that would be either in an American accent or in a British accent, but there will be lots of mispronunciation of the words. Would you listen to me? Would you? I know you know the answer. And the answer is no, you would not listen to me. If I'll like mispronouncing the words, no matter what, which accent I'm speaking in, but you will not listen to me. And the answer is the wrong pronunciation. And this is what we should focus over. We should focus over pronunciation. Again, I'm repeating, pronunciation will definitely lead to a good accent, an effective accent also, you can say. So again, I'll give you one reference here. So as I'm from literature background, so there's one of the most popular plays of English literature, that is The Rivals by R.B. Sheridan. So this play has got that popularity because they were like many factors, but among them there's one factor which is responsible for that popularity, and that character has also received a massive popularity. The character name is Mrs. Malaprop, and this character has got that popularity because of her mispronunciation of the words. Can you imagine that? Because of her mispronunciation. But the purpose there in that play for that mispronunciation is to evoke a sense of humor, is to evoke the laughter. But in reality, we can't take such a risk, can we? Of course not. If in case we'll take such risk, then we might become a victim of humor, and nobody wants that. I know nobody wants that. So what we should focus over? We should focus over the correct pronunciation. So correct pronunciation will give you three major factors, or you can say it will lead to these three major steps. Correct pronunciation will give you clarity of communication. Everyone wants a clear communication, right? And if you will have a clear communication, you will lead to an effective speaking. And everyone wants to be an effective speaker. And once you will be an effective speaker, you will be having immense confidence. Immense confidence. And again, I know everyone wants these three factors when they communicate in English. So do not worry, guys. Correct pronunciation can do wonder in your communication skills. And again, one more point I would like to mention here, that in case If you make mistakes while pronouncing the words, then guys, there's no need to get afraid of anything. There's no need to get ashamed of anything, because everyone makes mistakes. I also made mistake while learning this particular language. So there's no need to get afraid of anything, because from your own mistake you will learn and you will grow. Please make this point in your mind. So don't get afraid, okay? So guys, I hope that you must have understood so far that what is the difference between accent and pronunciation, and what matters the most when it comes to your communication skills. So again, I repeat, there are lots of factors which are responsible for your accent, so you should not worry about your accent. Instead of that, you should focus over the correct pronunciation, because the correct pronunciation will lead to an effective accent, that too in a natural way. So guys, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until the next class, see ya.